Current situation AF.
So whatever you can help us with, I'm on your way out.
Hey, my furniture would fit?
What do you think, Ma?
Yeah.
Think we should, based off this, you think we should put a bid in on the house?
Well, yeah.
What if I told you we already bought it and are an escrow?
What?
And this is for you.
Really?
This is your casita.
You're kidding me?
Nope.
Holy
This is our
shit.
house. We bought it. This is your new. This is for you if you want it.
Yes.
This is yours.
Wow. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I was like thinking last night, like,
Stamping your loan documents.
Yay!
Congratulations.
This is it, man. All right. 1 acre homestead. Got some maintenance needed here. Got some pine. Got a man down. Man down. Pick my first fruit. Got some excavating to do. Some maintenance, but I'm pretty stoked on it. You know, it's got a casita for my mom. It's our house. It just keeps going. I think an acre is solid for us. It's a solid amount of land. It's a tangerine tree. That's my own little cuties. There was something crawling up that tree. Whitened me, investigated, and then quickly every other part of me aborted and walked away. And man, these Meyer lemons? Like, they're shaped like lemons, but yet they're orange. So are they Meyer lemons? Because I don't know, man. They're not lemons, they're not oranges. So shit. Goes all the way down here. Got some other. I love this like half grass, half moss, half weed type vibe going on here. You know, it goes all the way to here. Got some hanging swings. That guy's gonna come out because it just looks dirty. I don't know. I'm not feeling that. And I think some cats are living in it, but they'll be aborted soon once the. Aborted? Ew, it's not terrible. They will be evicted soon once the dogs come. This is my favorite tree on the whole lot. On the whole property. It's right here. This tree's going nowhere. Feeling it. Outdoor cooking space is gonna go here. Oh yeah, chicken coop way over there. Oh, this gotta come out because this is just crazy. It's monstrous. It is a monster. Who knows what lives in there? Oh, that's gotta come out. I don't even know what that is, but it's nuts. It's beyond overgrown. Current situation AF. So this hose decided to break. And I gotta figure out where the main shutoff is, because I don't know where it is yet. Well, that was eventful. Yep. Welcome to the homestead life. Homeowners, really. That could have happened to anybody, anywhere. But, yeah, you like that? Gotta get that fixed too. But it happens here. That was a lot of water coming out for a long time. Probably about 2 months worth of water down the street. Got old people. Oh, thank you, Mom. Watch the dog poop. Got old people stopping to let me know as I'm sitting there trying to close the valve, that water's flowing down the street. It's like, thank you, buddy. Clearly I'm in the middle of it. Thank you. Appreciate that. Anyways, I thought my little bottle over the valve that was spewing was pretty ingenious. I just want to pat myself on the back for this L, but it's a win within it because I learned a few things where the water cutoff is. I should have known that already, right? You know, my son helped out tremendously and running back and forth, grabbing the tools I need. So I need to give him a pat on the back for that. And I'm glad I saved this jug for the last 7 months. All right, let me get to what I was doing already.